Hello. Today, we are going to be talking about the quality assurance anywhere. Specifically, we're focusing on the compliance task management in marine industry. All right, so as you can see in the screen, we split it into two. On the left, we have searching for information, and on the right, we have adding information. Now, within quality assurance anywhere, we search using basically safe searches on the left, as you can see right now. Now, these searches can be configured to be as general as or as wide as you like. And then on the right side, with adding information, we work with something called safe profiles. And the safe profiles are a structure from, if you will, for us to, prompt the right information to index a document and take all that kind of key metadata that you need when a user upload a document. We can also see these safe profiles, we can call them folders as well. As you can see, we have several folders. This can be a incident management, other management folder, risk management folder, and so forth. In order to upload a document, simply we can click on for example, I want to upload something about incident management, right? I can click on it and I'll be choosing which form I'm going to be posting from my laptop. And once it's done, the document upload will be go on the left side, which is a search profile under incident management. Now let's go one up to our existing search profiles. Let's go with escape compliance document, for example. Right? Once you click on it, as you can see, we uploaded one document. We have this document called escape compliance document. So when you click on it, we can go in more in detail. And we can also see the document on the right side after it's downloading. Here we go. So as you can see on the right, we can see the whole document in a PDF form. Scroll down a little bit. Here we go. And on the left side, we have the document information, such as we can see the document title, and we can also see the system properties. Under that, we can see who created this specific document, when is it created. We can also see the document ID, and ingested through, that means it's ingested through that safe profile, like on the right side, we call them folder. So it ingested through the SQL compliance document folder. Again, last updated by this person, and you can see the last update and so on. Also, you can also see the attachments and versions as well. In order to see the attachments and versions for this document that is on the bottom left here, as you can see, we have the one version of it, so you can also see the one. And if you want to see a little bit more detail, you can either add a new version from here, and you can either download this, delete this, and if you want to see information, you can click on the file info. As you can see, it's version 1 with the file ID. We can see where it's ingested, who ingested it, and so on. All right, so this is how to manage compliance task management inside the quality assurance anywhere. Thank you.